Okay, so I'm going to review categories. On the far left hand side you can see the categories tree, and so this is just the structure of your catalog. And categories are essentially buckets where products can sit. I'll show you later how you assign a product to which category. But simply, it's a structure for your catalog, so you can see the base, wall, tall, vanity, applied, closet, and crown and moldings are categories. And then underneath those, there are subcategories that sit underneath them. You can name the category simply by putting the name in the catalog. You can also choose whether or not the category is available inside of the catalog or not. If you uncheck that box and it has subcategories, they will be also hidden with it. As soon as you want to make it available again, then you put it back available in the catalog. The priority sort gives you the order. So if you look at standard base cabinet, that is priority sort 1, and top drawer base cabinet is priority sort number 2, and that's why it comes second in the catalog. You can make a child of, and that's how you make a subcategory. So you can see that top drawer base cabinets is a child of base cabinets, and therefore that's how it's assigned and sits there. You can, using categories, make a catalog exclusive to either a group of customers using tags or an individual customer by assigning that customer. This is the way in which you could make if you had one line that was exclusive, for example, to one group of customers, you would assign this category, put the products that apply to that underneath that category, and only that customer, when they log in, would then be able to see that, or that group of customers. Then you simply add the image that goes with it. You can see that we have images already in there for the categories. If you wanted to add a new one or replace these images, you would simply delete and upload the new image. We recommend using square images at approximately 600 by 600 pixel, but as long as it's square, it suffices. Anyway, that is a quick and brief overview of the categories. We will now go into the category, the product placement into which categories. If you go to products, you can see over on the left hand side that same category tree, and right now I have a filter on to only look at the products that are sitting in standard base cabinets. If you open up the product itself, this checkbox dictates where this base 1 rollout sits in the catalog. So that checkbox dictates where it sits. You could make it available in 2 different places. If I were to check here, it would then be available there also. So depending on where that checkbox is, when you have the product opened up, that dictates where it sits in the catalog. So to go see that base 1 rollout under standard base cabinets, in the real catalog, these are the categories, standard base cabinet, and there it is. And that is a quick overview of categories.